How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we're just going to be doing a quick video on a skin that I got for the Google Pixel 4a 5G. This is from SOPIGUARD. I went ahead and got an army green color skin. This is a matte finish, so I wanted it to pretty much try to make it look like a Google Pixel 5, and I'm not using a case with the Pixel 4a 5G, just rocking it naked. So this is a skin that you get from SOPIGUARD, and I got this, I believe it was like 10 bucks on Amazon. So really nice skins. I like D brand skins, but I really do like SOPIGUARD as well. So we're gonna go ahead and install this and see how it looks. I'm not gonna go into the whole install thing with you guys just because it requires a blow dryer and all that stuff, but I'm gonna install it on here and show you guys how it looks. Need to clean this phone and show you guys how it's gonna look installed on the Google Pixel 4a 5G. So very excited about this. Hopefully it looks good, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I shall be right back. All right, so maybe I will do a little bit of an install for you. I'll save you guys the trouble. Pretty easy. Now this is a full wrap type of skin. Most phones, they just come with the back plate, but since this is a unibody type application, it's gonna be a little bit different to where it wraps around the edges, but pretty much. And make sure it's all nice and clean and tacky for you. And it is, let the alcohol dry, of course. So pretty simple, pretty easy to do. You don't want any alcohol to be in there. Clean the edges, really nice and neat. And let's go ahead and do the application, shall we? Now I'm just gonna be installing the back. I'm not gonna do the camera just because I want that two-tone effect to it. So let's go ahead and do this. Never really done this on camera, so bear with me, guys. So pretty much just peel her off. Be careful not to tear the edges on it. And we did catch some of the paper on there. Nice and easy, nice and easy. And the SIM tray is going to be on there. We'll do that last. So you just pretty much, and just sort of push down a little bit like so, and make sure you get it around the camera nice and neat. If you need to pick it up, you can pick it up and adjust it if you need to, just a little bit. Put it around the camera like so. Just sort of use your nail to go around the camera a little bit. It is a little bit off, so maybe we could sort of pull it over a little bit. And then just start pushing down on it. And as you can see, it does have the cutout for the Google logo. And it gets molded around. These little flaps will come in together on the top and sort of seal the deal with this. So it's gonna look really nice. Hopefully this green, I think I did good with this color. It's gonna look good with the blacks of the phone. And I think I got everything lined up pretty nice and neat. As you can see right there, pretty nice and neat. I'm very anal about things like this. They have to be perfect or else I'm pissed off for the rest of the whole damn time I have this phone. But I think I got it on here pretty well. And then now we're gonna go ahead and blow dry it. All right, so that's probably the best that we're gonna get it right there. Mold it around the edges. Just go ahead and use a blow dryer and you are all set and done. And I think I do like the look of this. Contrasting with the black and the buttons, it just looks a lot more nicer and cleaner, and it does look really nice. It feels really good and adds some grippiness to the phone. As you can see right there, it was very slippery at first with that plastic back, but this adds some grip to it. Just clean it up a little bit and you are all good to go. It does have the cutout for the Google logo and your fingerprint sensor. Camera around went pretty well. Cutouts for your mics, your camera, your speakers, and your ports at the bottom came out pretty well. It could have been around the edges a little bit better, but I think it's pretty good. Edges molded around pretty well as well. And the slim tray right there, the SIM tray, got that on as well. Like I said, I probably won't install the camera cutout just because I like this two-tone look to it. But with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed. Just a quick video on my skin from SOPIGUARD for the Google Pixel 4a 5G. Really nice, adds a new look to your phone. Can get a case and put it on here, but I'll probably just rock it with the skin. I've been using this phone caseless. But that being said, I'll post a link in the description if you guys want to pick up a skin from SOPIGUARD off of Amazon. Pretty good, pretty cheap, got here pretty quick. So with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification bell for future notifications on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays. Peace.